Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the step-by-step process of obtaining Coingate API keys. Whether you're a developer, business owner, or just curious about integrating Coingate into your projects, this guide will walk you through each stage, making it easy to unlock the power of Coingate APIs. Let's get started. For your Coingate API key, first of all, open any web browser and search for coingate.com, or simply go to the link we provide in video description. Please note that for test mode you must generate separate API credential on sandbox.coingate.com. If you already have an account, log in. Otherwise, sign up for a new account. Once you are in Coingate dashboard, you need to be creator app for API key. Inside your Coingate dashboard, look for the merchant settings section, click on the merchant. Now find the API option and click on it. In the API settings, you may find an option to API app, click on the app button. Now click on the new app button to create a new app. Enter a name for your app, and if required, set up additional settings such as permissions and IP restrictions. Adjust these settings according to your requirements. Click on Create App. Now your Coingate API key will be generated. Copy these keys to a secure location. The secret key is sensitive information, and you should treat it as a password. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you soon.